Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth video in our tutorial series. So for this video, what we're going to be doing is adding tables to our HTML pages. So what are tables useful for? They are good for laying out data in a meaningful way. Okay, so let's go to our project and let's go to desserts.html. So we have a page that just has cakes on it. What if I wanted to put meaningful data about cakes in a nice laid out format? I would use a table, right? So what kind of data can we put out there? Well, there are different types of cakes. Chocolate cake, coconut cake, so many different kinds. And each kind has like a calorie count, right? So that's one example of a table we could add here. Let's do that. So exiting out of here for now. And then let's open this up in our text editor. So here's how we add a table. Since tables are pieces of meaningful information, we will add them into the body tags or the body section of our page. The first thing we need to do is type in a table tag, and then don't forget to close this because we will be nesting more data inside. So there are a few different tags that we will need to learn here. First is the TR tag, TR, which stands for table row. So for this example, I want to have a table with 3 rows and 2 columns, okay? So TR is another open and close tag. So be sure you do close your TR or table row tags. And I want 3 rows, so I'm going to have 3 sets of TR tags. Okay, so we have 3 rows so far. So inside the table, we want 2 columns. So we're going to be putting multiple columns in here. So for the TR tag, it's a good idea to indent as we've been doing with the body and head tags, HTML tags. We're going to be having multiple lines of data here. Okay, so for the first part of the table, the top part, we are going to need category names. We're talking about cake types and calorie counts. So just for this row, since it's the top row, we will be using the table header tag. Okay, the table header tag, if we have 2 sets of table header tags, that will correspond to 2 columns in our table in the top row. So let's do it. The table header tags, or TH tags, are written like this. Be sure to close it. Let's see. Let's do cake flavor, or just flavor, or type. And then we're going to have another column here. So let's type in calories. And now, this is only the header. It's going to show a little stronger than the rest of the columns, as you'll see in a bit. So in the second and third rows, instead of using the TH tag, we will be using the TD tag, which stands for table data. So let's see. This is going to correspond with the first column, and we're talking about types of cakes. So let's say carrot cake. I like carrot cake. So TD instead of TH. And we're still going to have 2 columns. So we're going to put a calorie count right here. How much for 1 slice of carrot cake? Well, I'm really not sure about this, but I'm going to guess around 400. So 400. And then to make things a little easier on ourselves, what we can do is we can copy and paste this, because we know our TR, our third table row, is going to have 2 columns as well, and we're going to be using TD. So Command V, and some tabs got in here, but we just need to backspace. So we just need to change the names right here. Let's say chocolate. And chocolate is typically higher calorie than carrot cakes. So I'm going to guess 700 for this. So I just saved my file. This is what we need for our table. Now let's see how it displays on our page. Minimize this. And now we have our table. So a table does not automatically give us a series of lines to outline our data like you see in a lot of other tables. We will be learning how to do this. But for now, we have data that is laid out in a meaningful format. Here are our header tags, right? And then we have three rows and then 2 columns in each row because of our 2 TD or TH tags. So we will be learning about CSS real soon. And it is through CSS that we can edit our table to look more traditional. We can do a lot with this too. So stay tuned. For now, give me a like and a subscribe if you thought this video was helpful, and I will see you next video.